So you read that. How do you feel about that? But I mean, when you read that, do you hear what he's, I mean, are you internalizing what he's saying? Yeah, he just sounds as though he's given up. He's like, I have been doing this for 30 years. My job here is done. He's not going back. Do you think he would feel that way if this had not happened to him? Have you thought about that? Have you thought about his injuries? What injuries did he have? All right, you say they were trying to arrest you. How were they trying to arrest you? And so when you were trying to step off the bus and you're saying that they didn't tell you what you were arrested for, what did you do? All right, so what did you do? And how did you do that? Not, I guess, I mean, you were there, I wasn't there, your attorney wasn't there, the state wasn't there. So how did you try to do that? So you're saying his injuries because he stumbled and that had nothing to do with you. And if it didn't have anything to do with you, let me know. I am not holding it against you. I just am trying to figure out what your thoughts were on that day. Well, you're saying he stumbled. How did he stumble? Okay. All right. Any other questions, defense?
It's found on this. Okay. On the bus, there was two officers, correct? Okay. If you remember, Josh, did y'all all end up on the ground at some point? Were you inside the bus or outside the bus? It was outside the bus, so it's like on the sidewalk of the pavement or something? Okay. Did they try to arrest you on the bus or off the bus? On the bus, and then we moved outside the bus. How long did all this happen from the point where they tried to arrest you to the point where you were tased? If you had to guess. 30 seconds. Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Any follow-up, state?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Any other witnesses?
Nothing further, that's Your Honor, just argument.
All right. The court will hear argument. All right. Defense.
Your Honor, the defense is asking for probation, either deferred or even straight probation for the conviction in this matter. Even if that involves inpatient treatment, static or safety up front, we're not opposed to it, Your Honor. Mr. Enzo Gula has a history, and it's unfortunate that we're here today again. I know you don't like to hear the word that mistakes were made and everything else. These were very unfortunate choices. Your Honor, I believe he is taking responsibility for what has happened. And the judge, the court has the discretion, the sole discretion as far as what needs to happen here. He's facing up to the decade in prison. It's a very long time. Of course, serious problem, but I would suggest that he would be better served the community would be better served if he was placed on probation with treatment. TEC is a place to go. There are certain cases that are warranted for it. However, in this particular case, Judge, I think it's clear there's a drug issue, drinking issue, everything else. In a short time he's been out, he's done okay. I think he will be successful on probation if he's granted. For those reasons, Your Honor, we're asking place him on probation. If the court sees fit to order him to inpatient treatment, but Your Honor, we're begging, pleading not to send him to prison.
Do you think you need inpatient treatment? Well, no, I mean, when you were talking before, you had requested outpatient treatment. All right. I don't think that probation is appropriate in this case, so I'm not going to grant probation. I'm going to find you guilty in each cause number. I'll hear any argument to time.
Yes, Your Honor. I know the state's asking.
Yeah, he's been in prison before, and now he's back in front of the court. And yeah, you only get that many chances with Judge Boyd. Sooner or later, she's going to say, yeah, apparently the last probation weren't successful, so off you fuck. Well, she won't say that. But essentially, she will say it in the nicest possible way. Hey, Dave, thank you. Thank you. I asked Dave to join me, and he sent $20 instead. I should ask more people to join. Thank you. Thank you so much. That is very, very nice of you.
For 10 years in prison, Judge. We have a wide range, anywhere from 2 years all the way up to 10
4.
years.
As
Your
in
Honor,
knife
we
and
would
fork.
ask on the lower end, and no more than 5 years. Again, I think if transferability is somebody that suffers with demons, he would benefit from treatment. We understand where the court's coming from by not granting probation, but Judge, we're hoping, begging that the court says that that's something less than 10 years. We would suggest a sentence of 5 years or less.
And state.
In order for that grief to work, Dave, I need an audience of very, very wealthy introverts. I would invite them all, and they're just, nope, here's $20.
All right. So I'm looking at your previous history, which is a part of the PSI. You have a previous resisting arrest, search, or transportation. On that case, you were given deferred adjudication. You were revoked. Then you have a driving while intoxicated. You were given jail time. You have an evading arrest detention, jail time. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in prison in each cause number. They will run concurrently, taking consideration 2024 CR 006796, 2024 CR 006798, 2024 CR 007768. I'm going to order no contact with the complainants in restitution in each cause number with the complainant. Did you review trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do y'all need help? You got it.
Yeah. I feel for the guy. I really do. But he screwed up, and he keeps screwing up. And this is with Judge Boyd. She will give you chances. She will give you more than one chance. But at a certain point, she's out of chances to give. And this will happen. So yeah, even though I feel for the guy, you had the chance. After the latest stint, all you had to do was follow the program. Keep sober. Don't drink and drive. Don't do crimes. Because sooner or later, a judge will do as Judge Boyd does here. And she will, okay, you simply don't learn from probation or jail time. You don't follow instructions. This is the end. This is the result. And again, I feel for the guy. It's not fun being sent off for 8 years, even with what was it? Whatever it was, DUI and resisting arrest and everything. But when you do that over and over again, over a number of years, you're going to prison.
Thank you, counsel.
And I feel more for the mother who went up there and testified on his behalf. I really do. I really, really do.
Yes. Mhm.